everybody, it's me, Awesome Diggs, back here with another video. So today we're gonna be playing one of these, and guess what it is? Battle. You touched it anyway. Gosh, I won't take the first stuff. Alright guys, I'm back. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm sorry, I had to talk to my eye. Look at me, we're playing Battle War. So, I'm gonna be battling some people, y'all. Calm down. Give us some good views, please. Please. I'm sorry it took so long. My arm's talking to us. Woo. Ooh, we can't wait to eliminate some people, y'all. Oh yeah, and then we're gonna be playing another map. Ooh. Oh crap, he's about to hit me. Dang it. That's oh crap. Oh no, no. You do run. Alright y'all, getting knocking some people off. But oh crap. Ow! Somebody knocked me. Oh look, it's Pink Sheep. Whatever. Alright, let's go back. Inside me. Alright guys, we're on Team Yellow. So, we're on Team Yellow. So last round didn't go well. This time I'm warmed up and ready. Alright guys, so I'm gonna doing some episodes with my cousin and stuff. Don't worry, it's not gonna be just me. And my cousin's watching me right now. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, see, well, you can't hear her clearly, but it's okay. She's gonna be playing with me in next episodes. In the next couple of episodes. So we're gonna be.
Episode 1 was very great.
Yeah, episode 1 was really great.
Now.
I hope you get good comments to that one, gal. So now we're gonna. So me and Shana are gonna be doing Team Sky Wars.
Yeah.
With a whole bunch of people.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh man, there's a guy shooting me. Oh man, Shania, back me up. Oh yeah, I forgot shooting out here. Ooh. He sucks. Ow! Oh my gosh, somebody's a lemon. I died? I can't believe I died. Ugh. I died so ready. I'm on Team Yellow again. I can't believe this. Alright, so like last round we got eliminated so bad again. I don't know, but if Shania's here, none of this would have happened. Oh look, is this some guy blue hair? Look, look at his mustache. Yeah, you leave a comment, guys, if you like my skin. See, he's awesome, right? I got my new tie. Nice tie, right? Yeah, that's a good skin I picked out in the damn. Yeah. So sooner or later we're gonna be battling each other. Team Yellow gotta beat this team. So guys, we gotta do good. Just give us some good comments, please. We just need some good comments. And there's something over there. So we're gonna be doing some the arrow cookie room, cause I'm really good at shooting, guys. Don't play with me. I told y'all. You can't play. Team Yellow won the game. Yes, my old team won. Can't believe my old team won. Well, let's. Oh my gosh, it's red. Dun 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 dun. Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Oh my god! Oh my god! He super boost jumped. No, that's cheating. That's cheating. Oh, let the games begin. Oh, oh, gosh, that's a bad start. Ah. We just eliminated girl. Oh no, please, come on, I thought. At least we eliminate somebody. Well, guys, we're going to the other room. So yeah, we're going to the other room. This round, that one did not work out well. I think it's this one. Is it this one? Like the one where you shoot the arrows and stuff? Let me see, guys. No, this is the same one. We gotta go to the other one. Alright, so, alright. Oh, it's called a cookie. Alright, I think this is the one. No, this is the same one, y'all. I don't know what's up with my game. Alright, we gotta find the same one, not... I think this is the B battle. Where am I? Where's my face at? Yeah. Yep. Tap to join the Oh gosh! Welcome to the cookie build. This people right here who looks like me. No, guys, this is it. This is it. Yes, this is the one. This is the one we're gonna be shooting arrows at each other. But this is a different one. Surprising. We never do this one usually, but everybody looks like me. Cool Steve, this guy, he got that nice bow tie, man. Nice bow tie. Looks like me. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Watermelon. 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 Alright, guys. We're gonna be doing this soon. We just gotta get 12 people. We're up there. We just gotta get a couple. Alright, y'all. So we gotta do good on this. Alright. So when we like go down here, which is we got 7 people. 7 people left the game. Come on. Ah! Well, guys, that was so funny. Let's keep on doing this until everybody comes. Whoa, ho, ho. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Whoa, whoa, ho, ho. Oh. This skin matches me, y'all. Please don't steal it, y'all. I just don't need this today. Please, nobody steal my skin. I don't need this. Just please stop, guys. If you steal this skin, I'm not gonna. You guys, that's just copycatting. And nobody likes copycatting. All these guys are fake me's. Even this one. This guy looks beautiful. Especially this hot chick. Alright, guys. We're losing. We're losing people, y'all. We can't lose any people. People are just mad. Yo, look at this guy. He looks so weird. Wicked. Oh no, y'all. People are leaving the game. Oh, look, it's Jerome. Jerome, I'm your biggest fan. Jerome. LOL, Jerome. Jerome, stop it, Jerome. I like you, Jerome. Don't do this to me, Jerome. He was like Chewbacca in the tuxedo. Alright, guys. So the cookie room is not working. We're gonna have to go to another room. Another multiplayer. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. I think my game froze, guys. Guys, something happened.